Hey all, I'm going to show one important thing in this lecture. I get a lot of requests from students to share practice websites so that they can have some hands-on testing parallelly by watching my lectures. So for this purpose, I have created few websites exclusively for you to practice based upon different technologies. You can all access them by navigating to practice projects from rahulshettyacademy.com. You can land on this web page, which is our home website, and from here choose practice projects so that you will be accessible to the three different web projects. So I have carefully designed these three projects based upon three different technologies. So one will be on Angular. Okay, so this is an e-commerce web page where you can buy the products. It's dummy e-commerce site where you can shop, add the items to cart. And there is one practice page where you will find all web related UI components at one single place. You will find checkboxes, drop downs, radio buttons, child windows, alert boxes, tables. What everything what needed for web automation components, everything is present in the specific web page. It's a good page to practice. And also you will see another web page which is also an e-commerce, but this is on HTML and PHP. Is one of the common combination is used for most of the web applications. After that, Angular is also one of the commonly used in these days. So I have created different websites for different technologies so that you can go and practice. Alright. So, and I will be particularly using these websites heavily in my lectures as well for demonstrating the topics. So this is where you can find them. Whenever you see me teaching some concepts in the lectures from these particular applications, you can actually reach these pages by visiting rahulshettyacademy.com, and from there you can just go to practice projects and use them so that you can parallelly practice with my lectures. Okay, so this is applicable for all front-end web automation tools like Selenium, Protractor and Cypress. All these are front-end automation tools, right? So for all these three courses you can use these applications for practice purpose. Alright, so just want to give you a heads up that we have something to practice and you need not search anywhere on the internet to find the right websites to enhance your skills on these automation tools. Alright, see you in the next lecture. Thank you.